Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a vignette in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. First, select the video you want to apply the vignette to. Now right click on your project panel and create an adjustment layer. Once it's created, drag this into the timeline and make it the same length as your clip. Now navigate to the effect panel and search for the effect called circle. Drag this onto the adjustment layer and then go to the effects control. Scroll down to the circle effect that we just added. Now change the blending mode to alpha. This is going to make our circle actually off footage. Now change the radius, increase the amount so we can just see a little bit. Now increase the feather until you see some of vignette coming into the shot. So that's it, we got the vignette. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.